This video guide will help you to get rid of the online scam that is coming from the site Secureyourdatabase.live. Secureyourdatabase.live is a malicious website. Right now it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It displays absolutely fake security alerts that try to make people scared about the condition of their computers in order to force them to download and install some potentially unwanted programs. These pop-ups claim to be related to the well-known security program, but this is not true. They are not associated with any decent software. So if you see these fake alerts by Secureyourdatabase.live, disregard them. Now, I also recommend that you carefully investigate your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin investigating your device. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively identify and eliminate other infections from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.